Good morning, everybody. Just a short one for you. So you know how I've been a proponent of Rocketbook and CamScanner since I started using Canvas. Well, today, during my drafting class, we found out, and this may be something you all know and I just missed the train on, but found out a cool feature of the Canvas student app that basically takes the place of Rocketbook or CamScanner. So I have a little video here that I recorded on my iPad, but it works the exact same on any version of this. But essentially, so what I'm doing here is I'm in the teacher app and I open Student View. You go into your assignment, and I've known for a while that there was a submission option where it used the camera built into the app, but I did not know about the scanner feature. So it just positions your document, does a really good job of finding it. Click the Take Picture button, and it has found the whole thing. When I click Keep, it's going to stretch it out so that it's in a proper orientation, and then all they have to do is click Submit. No extra app needed. So, and it's even got a fun little animation that lets them know that they have definitely submitted their assignment. So hopefully this can be usable to you if you didn't know about it already, and no extra apps to install. Thank you guys. Have a good one.